दोस्तों, अगर आप किसी भी किस्म की टेस्ट की तैयारी कर रहे हो तो इस तरह की वीडियोस ज़रूर देखें। हम आपके साथ हर टेस्ट में आने वाले मालूमात फराहम करेंगी। तो चलो वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। आप अपना जवाब कमेंट करें। शुक्रिया।
16. Which adjective describes something that is very expensive? A. Cheap. B. Affordable. C. Costly. D. Inexpensive. Answer C. Costly. 17. What is the adjective form of the noun success? A. Successive. B. Successful. C. Successing. D. Successively. Answer B. Successful. 18. Which adjective means having a lot of knowledge? A. Ignorant. B. Wise. C. Foolish. D. Stupid. Answer B. Wise. 19. What is the opposite of the adjective strong? A. Weak. B. Powerful. C. Mighty. D. Sturdy. Answer A. Weak. 20. Which adjective describes something that is extremely loud? A. Quiet. B. Noisy. C. Silent. D. Peaceful. Answer B. Noisy. 21. Which of the following adjectives means lacking energy or enthusiasm? A. Energetic. B. Enthusiastic. C. Active. D. Lethargic. Answer D. Lethargic. 22. What is the adjective form of the noun danger? A. Dangerous. B. Endangering. C. Dangerously. D. Dangerful. Answer A. Dangerous. 23. Which adjective means having a great amount of money or wealth? A. Poor. B. Rich. C. Wealthy. D. Affluent. Answer C. Wealthy. 24. What is the opposite of the adjective fast? A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Rapid. D. Speedy. Answer A. Slow. 25. Which word is an adjective that means having a bad odor? A. Fragrant. B. Pleasant. C. Stinky. D. Aromatic. Answer C. Stinky. 26. Which adjective describes something that is very long? A. Short. B. Lengthy. C. Brief. D. Compact. Answer B. Lengthy. 27. What is the adjective form of the noun grace? A. Graceful. B. Graceless. C. Gracious. D. Gracefully. Answer A. Graceful. 28. Which adjective means having a great desire for food? A. Hungry. B. Starving. C. Famished. D. Gluttonous. Answer D. Gluttonous. 29. What is the opposite of the adjective brave? A. Fearful. B. Cowardly. C. Timid. D. Bold. Answer B. Cowardly. 30. Which adjective describes something that is extremely dark? A. Bright. B. Shadowy. C. Gloomy. D. Dim. Answer C. Gloomy.